Hello friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel Glam Haven Makeup Vanity Decoration. At Glam Haven, we believe that the perfect makeup vanity is more than just a functional space. It's a personal oasis where beauty and creativity meet. Our channel is dedicated to providing you with the endless inspiration and ideas for transforming your makeup vanity into a stylish, organized, and glamorous heaven. Join us as we delve into the world of makeup vanity decoration, sharing step-by-step tutorials, design tips, and innovative ideas that will elevate your beauty routine to a whole new level. Whether you are a makeup enthusiast, a beauty professional, or someone looking to revamp their vanity space, this channel is for you. Get ready to explore a wide range of topics, including number one, vanity organization. Discover clever storage solutions, makeup organizers, and tips for maximizing space while keeping your beauty essentials neatly arranged. Number two, vanity decor and aesthetics. Dive into the world of interior design as we explore various styles from sleek and modern to vintage and eclectic. Learn how to choose the right color schemes, lighting, mirrors, and decorative elements to create a visually stunning and personalized vanity setup. Number three, dye projects. Unleash your creativity with our fun and easy dye projects that will add a personal touch to your vanity. From customized brush holders and mirror frames to vanity trays and accessory organizers, we have got you covered. Number four, makeup vanity essentials. Explore the must-have products, tools, accessories that every makeup lover needs at their vanity. We will provide honest reviews, recommendations, and expert tips to help you create a collection that suits your unique styles and needs. Number five, makeup tutorials and tips. Enhance your beauty skills with our makeup tutorials featuring various techniques, product recommendations, and step-by-step guides. Whether you are a beginner or a seasoned pro, you will find valuable insights to take your makeup game to new heights. I hope you like my videos. Thanks for watching my video.